In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a backup of your Notion database, so that if anything ever gets accidentally deleted or lost, you'll have a copy ready to restore or transfer elsewhere. Having a backup is a smart and proactive way to protect your data, especially if you rely on Notion for managing important tasks, projects, or personal notes. Let's get started. First, open your Notion workspace, either through the desktop app or directly from the website. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings and Members. A new panel will open. From there, click on the Settings tab if it's not already selected. Scroll down until you see an option called Export Content. This is the feature that allows you to download all the data stored in your workspace. Click on Export Content. You'll now see a few options. For the export format, select CSV. This format is ideal for storing and restoring data from tables and databases. You don't need to change anything else unless you want to customize which pages or content types are included. After confirming your settings, click the Export button. Notion will begin compiling your workspace data into a downloadable file. Depending on the size of your workspace and how much content you've created, this process might take a few seconds. Once it's done, your browser will automatically download a CSV file containing your exported Notion content. This file acts as your backup. You can store it on your computer, an external drive, or upload it to a secure cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. Having this backup means that if your data ever gets accidentally removed, or if you want to move your information to another device or workspace, you'll have everything saved and ready to re-import or reference. It's also helpful for migrating content between Notion accounts or for maintaining a local copy of important information. And that's it. You've just created a full backup of your Notion database in CSV format. It's a simple but powerful step that ensures your information stays safe, accessible, and portable. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or need help with anything else in Notion. Thanks for watching, and stay organized.